everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm going to be making up a roasted new potato salad. We're going to roast some little new potatoes up and make a salad out of it, a potato salad, and you can eat it hot or cold. This recipe, another one that's been around for a while. A lot of you've probably made it, and the ones that haven't, I'm going to get on and make it, and hopefully y'all give it a try. But let's go ahead and jump in and get started here. I have 2 pounds of the new potatoes chopped all up, bite size. Got those all chopped up, and on here I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of tablespoons of some canola or olive oil, whatever one you have there on hand, and a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just get that all on there. Oven preheated to 425. And now I'm just going to mix this up, get every little potato coated here with that salt, pepper, oil. Want to get it all mixed up, make sure everything's got salt and pepper here. Okay. All right. My oven's preheated. Get these up. And just get them roasted up. Probably 25 minutes or so. It just depends on how big you cut your taters. So, we're going to get these in. And I'm going to let them cook probably 15 minutes. Then we'll add some more stuff in. Okay, they've been cooking, my potatoes, for about 15 minutes. Now the reason why we're doing this, because we don't want our garlic and our onions to burn, because we know what burnt garlic can taste like. So just in case, I just like to do that halfway through. So now I'm going to add it. That's 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, very fine. And a half of a medium onion, chopped really fine. And now I'm just going to mix this all up. We're going to get it put back into the oven. And this is good with any type of meat or picnic, barbecue. And it's definitely a different kind of potato salad. You know, it's not your traditional potato salad. But we call it salad because it's the potatoes and the onions. And okay. Now I'm going to let this cook just until these potatoes are fork tender, which can probably be about another 10-15 minutes or so. It just depends on everybody's oven, I guess. Just until they're tender, guys. Okay, we're going to get those in the oven. Alright, these been cooking another 10 minutes or so, but I am going to take them out and give them a stir because, like I said, I don't want that garlic burning here. I covered my pan here with foil. Just give them a stir. A lot of moisture is going to start coming out of those onions there. But that gives it a good flavor as well. Mine are actually taking longer than I wanted them to. But just until they're tender. Alrighty, you got the idea. Those cooked close to 30 minutes. Guess it just depends on the batch of potato. Because they're cut small, they just took longer than normal. And you don't got to cook them on a foil. I just done it just so I don't have a bunch of cleanup. Probably be better off doing them just on your cookie sheet because you want to get all those onions and stuff off that foil and then it starts ripping on you, but lesson learned. Okay, to that I'm going to be adding, they're still a little bit warm. I got myself 10 pieces of bacon cut up. I cooked it till it was really crispy. And we're going to add that. You want it nice and crispy. You know it's got bacon in it. It's going to be good, right? Okay. And I have one bunch, you know, with a little rubber band around them, the whole bunch of green onions cut small. And I like to leave a little bit out to garnish with. But those will go. And just save a little bit to put on the top. And I have 2/3 of a cup of ranch salad dressing and 1/4 of a teaspoon of dill weed, which is this here, just some dried dill weed. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon and 2/3 cups of ranch salad dressing. Now, depending on your taters, how much they soak up, if you want to add a little more, a little less, you know. Okay. You want to gently toss it. Oh, this smells good. I'll get this mixed up and we'll get it plated. Ta-da! There it is. Now you can serve this whatever you want. Add more salt, pepper to your liking. And like I said, add more dressing to it as you like. Now dill weed, I like dill weed, so I added it. But by all means, leave it out if you don't like it. Or even if you don't have any. You don't really need it, but I love dill, so I threw a little bit of it in there. But it's a good salad, hot or cold. If you're going to serve it cold, I suggest you let it cool down a little bit before you add your salad dressing and stuff to it and then put it away. But we're going to have ours warm, so I want to jump on and share it. Whoever hasn't tried it, you may want to give it a try, something different, you know. Go ahead and give it a try. But until next time, guys, we will see you later, and enjoy the potato salad. It really is good, and it's different. Stay safe, and please like and subscribe as always, guys.